Maque Choux is a Cajun succotash that the Acadians learned from the Choctaw, who probably originally made it with green corn instead of sweet corn, chayotes or mietons instead of green bell pepper, wild onions, and heirloom tomatoes. But I'm going to make it the modern way, minus the cayenne pepper. I cannot eat very much cayenne pepper. So I'm going to turn my burner on about medium. I'm going to add some clarified butter. Not very much, about a tablespoon. Now I'll add my onion. I'm going to sweat these onions till they're glassy. Now I'm going to add the bell pepper. Now you can add a little water to these vegetables to help them cook. And I'm going to turn the heat up to just a little under medium high to really help them steam and cook them a little faster. I'm going to go ahead and add the corn in too. If you don't have a lid for your skillet, improvise with aluminum foil. Now once your corn is done, go ahead and cook it till the water evaporates. Now when this water is mostly evaporated, you can put your tomatoes in. Now when you cut these tomatoes, cut the top off the tomato and scoop the seeds and the water out of it before you chop it up. The drier they are, the better they'll cook. Now I'm going to season it, and I'm going to taste it as I go. I'm going to start with a big pinch of kosher salt, about like that. That's about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to add pepper. Now I'm going to add some of my catfish seasoning to it. I love to substitute smoky paprika for cayenne pepper. It just gives a good spicy flavor and aroma to a dish without burning your mouth. Well, that's it, y'all. It's done. All I have to do now is transfer it to a container. This here's Maque Choux, y'all, and it is delicious.